Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me again. Sorry for my bit of absence, but after my mom's passing I had to take just a little bit of time. However, we are back and better than ever, posting every single week, so keep an eye out. Caden, what are we talking about today? And that leads me to something I've wanted to talk to you guys about since really the first video I've made, and that is AI and crypto. And there's truly not a better time to talk about it than right now. The landscape of technology, particularly in AI and crypto, is constantly evolving. And as we navigate through 2024, 2023's pivotal moments like Sam Altman's dramatic stepping down and rejoining of the board still resonate, leaving us with challenges to reflect on as we embark on this journey and its implications for the future.
XRP just won in their case against the SEC.
I'm glad you asked, so I'm always learning and growing.
With the dust settled on the OpenAI saga as of late 2023, the tech community has been left to ponder on deeper questions about the development and deployment of AI, as well as the volatile yet promising world of cryptocurrency. Now let's talk about how these sectors are shaping our world today as we speak. Artificial intelligence has leaped forward like crazy this past year. From revolutionizing healthcare with predictive analytics to transforming customer service with sophisticated chatbots, AI's footprint is expanding. However, it leaves scrutiny over its ethical use and potential biases. Yet, things like the resignation of key figures in the AI community because of fears of what's to come cast a long shadow on its progress. Concerns range from AI's potential misuse to existential risks that could emerge from super intelligent systems.
Now, AI is another more powerful tool, and it's going to be used by those people, for basically really evil purposes.
Serious is the idea of these things getting more intelligent than us and taking over.
And these ethical worries are not without merit. The power of AI to influence elections, privacy breaches, and even autonomous weaponry are just the tip of the iceberg. But it's crucial to balance this caution with the positive waves AI is making across the globe. On a much brighter note though, AI is transforming jobs and lives in a way that we once only imagined. From AI-assisted medical diagnostics that are saving lives to smart agricultural techniques that promise to feed the burgeoning global population. The benefits are palpable. And in the job market, AI is not just a disruptor, but a true creator. New jobs and careers in AI development, ethical AI governance, and more are popping up every single day. It's about augmentation, not just automation, enhancing human capabilities and allowing us to work smarter, not harder. The narrative of AI is being written every single day, not just by its creators, but by us as well. It's a story of extraordinary potential marked by cautionary tales. And as we navigate this rocky landscape ahead of us, the dialogue between innovation and ethics becomes even more crucial than ever before. And now this leads us into the second section for today, this cryptocurrency bull run that is being led by the Bitcoin ETF Approval. Today, we are witnessing a monumental moment in the world of cryptocurrency. This morning, Bitcoin soared past $69,425, reaching an all-time high and signaling not just a bull run, but a seismic shift in the financial markets and financial landscape to come.
Spot Bitcoin ETFs took in over $1 billion worth of net inflows on Tuesday.
BlackRock alone has $11 billion in their ETF. They added $1 billion just in the last day. And so these are massive inflows for just one fund. There's 11 of them.
Let's unpack what's driving this extraordinary rally and what it means for the future of digital currency. And now this surge is not fueled by retail investors or speculative trading. It is surged by institutional money, old, wrinkly institutional retirement money. What's the pivotal factor though? The recent approval of the Bitcoin ETF, a move that has absolutely opened the floodgates for retail investors to enter the cryptocurrency space with confidence and capital. And now you may be asking me, why is institutional involvement such a game changer? Well, for one, it brings a certain legitimacy and stability to a market known for its volatility. And these investors are not just looking for a quick return, but they're signaling a long-term belief in cryptocurrency and its role in diversifying investment portfolios. Yet with this bull market signal and institutional embrace come lots of questions. How will regulatory framework evolve? What does this mean for the average investor? And most importantly, how do we navigate the challenges of ensuring this digital revolution is beneficial for us all, not just the few? Now, I have a few questions for you. What do you think about cryptocurrency and its rapid evolution? What do you think about how it's already changed the framework of our entire digital ecosystem? Or how the US has rolled out its Fed coin and plans to use cryptocurrency as our national currency? What do you think the dangers or the potential benefits are of this? Let me know below. Now, as Bitcoin continues to reach new heights and the bull market pushes on, the landscape of cryptocurrency is undeniably changing every single day. The approval of the Bitcoin ETF and entrance of institutional money mark a new chapter in digital finance, one where the potential for growth is absolutely boundless, but so are the responsibilities of navigating it. This is an absolutely exhilarating time to be a part of the crypto world. The journey ahead promises not just potential financial gains, but to redefine money as we understand it in this new digital age. And as we continue to watch history in the making every single day, stay mindful and remember the powers that the blockchain holds. And before we move on, and while we're still on the topic of cryptocurrency, I want to tell you guys about my upcoming project that I've been working very hard on during the bear market, Stoner Crypto Club, a cutting-edge NFT project that is blending digital art with a strong social mission. We at Stoner Crypto Club have absolutely dedicated ourselves to our mission of advocating for non-violent cannabis prisoners, using the world of NFTs to foster a vibrant community and drive a real change. By owning one of our NFTs, you're not just purchasing a piece of digital art, you're joining a movement of justice and innovation. I'm going to link our socials below. Be sure to give us a follow and join our Discord to be a part of something truly transformative. Well, now we've talked about crypto and we've talked about AI. But what about the intersection of AI and crypto? Intriguingly, AI and crypto are starting to intersect tangibly. AI is playing a crucial role in enhancing blockchain security and optimizing trading strategies, while blockchain tech offers more and more ways to secure and manage AI data. Some examples of AI and blockchain technology would be smart contract management or fraud detection and security, decentralized autonomous organizations, or known as DAOs. And examples of blockchain technology in AI would be AI model marketplaces, or data sharing and privacy, or provenance and transparency in AI, like tracking AI model development. And as we see these merge more and more and more, I think we're going to see more sectors pop up every time. And this leads me into section number 4, ethical and societal implications. Now, as we move further into 2024, discussions sparked by events like Sam Altman's reinstatement at OpenAI serve as a reminder of our collective responsibility. The future of AI and crypto does not depend solely on the developers and investors, but it depends on us as a society to determine what standards these technologies should uphold. The journey through 2024 is one of cautious optimism and vigilant oversight. As AI and crypto continue to impact our world, the lessons from the past and the hopes from the future converge, guiding us towards a tech-driven yet hopefully ethically driven future. But how do you see AI and crypto evolving the rest of 2024? What ethical considerations should we prioritize? Share your thoughts and insights below, and remember to subscribe for more in-depth discussions just like this. Thank you for joining. You better subscribe.